but you can smell the lemon. I can feel it when you walk. Girl. Hey, classy people, happy 2026 and welcome back to the channel. And a shout out to all my new classy people that have decided to join the classy crew. Thank you so very much. We are almost at 10K. Can you believe it? Now, today we have a fragrance haul because my husband and I love fragrances. Are you all like that? Do you love scents? Are you a scent girly or a scent boy? Okay. All right. Now, my husband and I, we love to smell good. So we have went down the rabbit hole for the Middle Eastern scents. We love to purchase those. So we were going through Burlington purchasing Christmas for one of our grandchildren, and we happened to see that they had a ton of scents. You know how Burlington is made up where they have all the scents on the outside area right there before you get ready to get in the little corral to check out? They know exactly what they're doing. So I seen some boxes that look like Middle Eastern scents. So, I had to look at them. So with closer examination, I found 3 that I did want to try. I'm going to share it with you all. If I'm able to put links in the description box of the video, I will definitely do just that in case you all want to pick them up as well. So the first one that was Versace L'Homme. Okay. Versace L'Homme. Perhaps enunciated right or enunciated wrong. But it was $34.99. This is a very classic Versace L'Homme from 1984, honey. I'm going to tell you, when you do it right, it lasts. It's got that longevity. 1984, and people are still wearing it. Ain't that something? Okay, they knew what to do, okay? Let me tell you the scents for this one, because my husband did like this one. And I'm going to just be honest. I mean, I'm not saying this because he's my husband. I'm saying it because it's the truth, Ruth. My husband, I don't care what this man puts on. He smells good. I don't understand what kind of body chemistry he has. Everything smells good on him. And this smells good on him too. I wasn't surprised. This is a timeless scent. It's described as a woody, cypre fragrance combining sharp and warm notes: lemon, basil, bergamot, petitgrain, and green notes. Definitely. The heart notes is carnation, cinnamon, patchouli, sandalwood, rose, cedar, and jasmine. The base notes: leather, oak moss, musk, vanilla, labadium, I may be saying that wrong, amber, and tonka bean. This has a very fresh, clean, strong scent. Okay, this is strong. This is not faint. This is put hair on your chest type of scent. I feel like it is. You know how male fragrances just have that. When you first spray it, you smell that lemon. You smell that lemon basil type scent, wood. You smelling all that. Yes, that's what this is. I like the smell, but it's definitely for a clean, stronger, it's a strong smell, but of course, every scent is going to smell different according to your body chemistry. But I do like the scent. Next one I was really excited about. Yara. Yes, I love Yara by Lattafa. My granddaughter is the one that turned me on to them. Oh, isn't that something? This particular scent is called Candy. Now, the one that I purchased prior, I did the yellow one, and I'm not sure of the name of that one, but that's the one that I have, and I have been enjoying it. So I really was excited to find this one. This one, I'm going to tell you all the notes for it so you can get a good idea of what it smells like. And if you want to try it, hopefully you will be able to maybe find it in your local Burlington. And I will also try to link it in the description if you want to just purchase from that point. So for the Yara Candy, the scent profile, it's a gourmand fragrance with a fruity, sweet, and floral accords. The key notes, which is the top notes, include green mandarin and black currant. Middle notes feature strawberry fizz candy and gardenia. The base notes are vanilla, amber, musk, and sandalwood. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce, and I'm gonna tell you, when you wear this, your person, your man gonna be like, girl, whew, they gonna be like, you smell like candy. I can feel it when you walk. Even when you talk, it takes over me. This thing right here. Gonna have you smelling like some strawberry fizz, okay? I love fruity, sweet scents. Love, love, love that. I like gourmand type scents, but I love fruity, sweet scents. I love that. So I don't really care for things that I got to be like, I can't smell it. I can't smell it. No, I'm gonna need you to smell it. Okay? I want to smell it and I need you to smell it. So my the yellow version of the Yara that I have, it has a good lasting power, and I don't see why this wouldn't either. Okay, so I'm super, super excited to find this one. This one was priced $29.99 in my Burlington, and honey, the one that I got, that yellow one, that thing was not $29.99. Okay, so anytime I see this in Burlington from now on for $29.99, yes, I will be picking that up. Okay. My girls, I let them smell the scents at Christmas, and they fell in love with this one. They fell in love with this one. This one smells so good. Next one is actually a unisex scent. So excited about this one. This one is Oud for Glory, and guess who it's by? Latifah as well. Okay. Look at this. The Middle Eastern scents, they know how to present a product, okay? They understand the assignment. They want you to get the full luxury experience, okay? I love it. Isn't that what y'all be doing? Y'all be doing the little finger taps, okay? The little finger tap. This deserves a little finger tap, okay? Look at it. Look at this. Love it. Love it. Look at the bottle. Look at the bottle, honey. Oud for Glory. Okay. Oud for Glory. Look at the bottle. Look at the bottle, honey. Look at the bottle. Ooh. Yes, this is a unisex. So my husband or myself can wear this one. Loving it, loving it. Let's get into the scent, because this one right here, how can I describe this one? It smells like brand new. It's like new. That's what it smells like. It smells like new. All right, so this bottle is a amber woody fragrance for women and men. It launched in 2020. And the key notes include saffron, nutmeg, lavender, agarwood or oud, patchouli, and musk. The fragrance is known for its warm oriental and long-lasting aroma. Yes, yes, and yes, okay? This thing right here, it just smells like brand new. That's my best way to describe this scent. It's definitely a colder. I will wear it all year round because that's just crystal. I don't limit my scents to the time of the year. Okay. It's more centered around what my mood is and what I feel like smelling like. But I can see how someone would gravitate towards this towards the fall and winter months, because it just has that warm kind of woody kind of cozy cuddle by the fire, smelling like you got a brand new leather coat on. Smell, okay? It just smells like new. It smells like new. I would love for my car to smell like this. I mean, it kind of puts you in that mood. You know what I'm saying? It just smells like luxury. That's the best way to describe it. That baby smell like luxury, okay? Now, let me know if you all are going to try any of these particular fragrances. I am super excited about it. And I'm going to tell you what, I'm really going to be on the lookout at Burlington again, because what I would like to do is kind of roll through, see what they got, go on YouTube and get an idea of, do they smell good? Do they not? Okay. But honey, anytime I see a Yara box, I see a Lattafa, Yara, oh girl, I'm getting it. Okay. Crystal is getting it, honey. Cause this right here is so sweet smelling. This just like candy. I can feel it when you walk, even when you talk, they go by me. That's what your husband gonna be saying. Go on and smell it. Go on and smell it. He gonna be like, you smell like candy, honey. That Yara smell good. That Yara smells good. Okay. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. If you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you're not a member of the Classy Crew, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you will not miss a video. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.